Finding a husband can be difficult, but there are ways to improve your chances. Look for higher caliber guys who share your interest. You can seek men out in places you enjoy visiting, or connect with them via online dating. But be cautious when meeting potential matches in person. Ask family and friends if they know any single guys who might be interested. Spend time alone occasionally, as men are more likely to approach women when they're alone. Be open to meeting potential partners in your everyday life and get to know guys as platonic friends before pursuing romance. Evaluate potential partners honestly, instead of testing them. Set standards, but be reasonable. Focus on values and essential personality traits. Mutual attraction is important, so make sure both you and the guy feel attracted to each other. Once you've found the right guy, communicate your feelings and intentions. If he doesn't want marriage or exclusivity, it's best to move on.